Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a YouTube Kids account on your PC step by step. First, open your browser and go to youtubekids.com. Once the page loads, you'll see two options, I'm a kid or I'm a parent. Click on I'm a parent, since this setup must be done by an adult. Next, you'll see a message saying it takes about a minute to go through the guidelines. Click Next to continue. YouTube Kids will then ask for your age as a parent, enter your year of birth, and click Next again. After that, a short welcome video will appear, explaining how to navigate your YouTube Kids profile. Watch it, then click Next to move on. Now you'll be asked to sign in with your parent account. Click Add an account, sign in with your Google account, and once you're logged in, that's it. YouTube Kids is now set up, and your child can start exploring safe and fun videos. On the top left corner, you can click your profile icon to edit your settings or add more profiles. And on the top right corner, you'll see privacy settings. When you click it, YouTube Kids might ask a quick question like, "What is 5 times 3?" That's just to confirm it's an adult making changes. Once you answer, you'll be able to view and adjust privacy and parental controls. And that's it. You've successfully created a YouTube Kids account on your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy app tutorials.